my channel. It's your girl Brie here, and we are back with another video. I'm hungry. Okay, we're just gonna get into this video. Everybody knows this is a car mukbang, okay, or mukbang, whatever. We are going to Popeye's because I'm super hungry right now, and it's about, what time is it? After 11 o'clock. So yeah, we're gonna get into this video, and let me stop freaking rumbling. So yeah, just gonna set you guys down here because I need to drive and I don't have no freaking car mount. Okay, I don't even know what to order, guys, to be honest. What do you guys get from Popeye's? Because I get the same thing all the time. Legit. I haven't been here in so long.
Hi, look at Popeye's. I think it's better for you today.
Hi, can I get the number 2 platter, please?
Spicy or mild?
Mild with only what are they called? Legs?
2 legs?
Yeah, 2 legs, please. And
What would
then
you like for your 2 sides?
red beans and rice and mashed potatoes.
And what would you like to drink?
Sweet tea.
Sweet tea? No
Yeah.
problem.
And that'll be all.
Did you want to try any of our made apple pie today?
No, thank you.
Alright, I'll have you gelato.
Thank you. Ooh, she got money.
Boy, if you don't.
Alright, so I'm about to go. Ooh, I got money today. Yeah. Thank you. I think let me see about the 10 cents. Huh?
Honey, hot sauce in back?
No, just honey, please.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, you guys, so we got our food, and I'm so excited. And I just can't hide. So yeah, I ordered the number 2, please, platter. Freaking love this stuff. Ugh. See, I'm trying to lose weight. You see, I'm trying to lose this dang double chin of mine. And I think I'm only gonna do mukbangs on what's it called? Wow, I just lost my memory for a minute. I think I'm only gonna do mukbangs on my cheat days because I literally gotta lose weight. We're going to Hawaii in July of next year. So yeah, I'm excited to go to Hawaii. I've never been there before. It's gonna be beautiful, and you know you can't be looking fat on the beach now, especially in Hawaii. So yeah, got my honey. Have you guys ever been to Hawaii? Like, what do you do? Because we're going to go to Maui, and I'm so excited. Okay, I keep saying I'm excited, but literally I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is so good, so good. But yeah, my favorite place that I have been on vacation was to Louisiana. It's so beautiful out there. So beautiful. It was so much fun too. I think we went like, dang, I don't even remember how old I was. I was back in high school. But yeah, it was beyond fun. I would think I was a junior. Yeah, I think I was a junior. And we did a road trip. Me and my family, we did a road trip from California to Louisiana. I forgot how long it took us. I think it took us like 2.5 days or 2 days. But man, Texas is the hugest state. Like the hugest, that's not even a word. Texas is the biggest state I've ever seen. We drove through it. It took a day for us just to drive through Texas. Crazy. Oh my gosh. So everybody was like, never again, but I liked it. It was really fun. Here come the Popeye'S. That's not even a cop. I literally don't understand why they sell cop cars with this stuff still on it. But it's crazy. This is so good. Oh my gosh. I haven't had Popeye'S in so long. Okay, that's a real cop. Maybe I shouldn't have parked here. I love their sweet tea. I love their sweet tea. I like McDonald's sweet tea. So good. Oh my gosh, guys. So my friend that I was in first grade with, I'm still friends with her. After this story, okay, let me tell you this story, because we were talking and she was like, oh my gosh, you do YouTube? You should tell them the time I stabbed that I stabbed her. Okay, so let me tell you guys what happened. Okay, so first grade. It was first grade. Was it first grade? Yeah, it was first grade because I was in Miss Brown's class. Okay, so me, I don't really like sharing. Okay, I don't like sharing with people that much, but I learned to share. Okay, we all have to learn to share and stuff like that. So I think it was like a few days after we first started school or class or whatever, and so good. A few days after we started class, and my teacher was like, oh my gosh, you guys, okay, we gotta do this project. And of course, when you're in elementary school, kindergarten, and stuff like that, you just color all the dang time and learn your 1, 2, 3s. So we did this coloring project, and literally there's these crowns. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but there's these crowns that had the, what was it called? Oh my gosh, what was it called? The sharpener in the back. So it was like a big box of crowns, and then there was a sharpener in the back on the bottom. And I don't know why, I just love those crowns. I was like, ah, I got the crowns with the sharpener, like, so cool. And it had like all the colors in it. So I got the got those crayons, and I got these special markers. The markers that I got are the ones that smelled good. So the sniff and something markers, so good. Okay, so good. I didn't eat the markers. They were so cool. Love them. So I was like, I'm not sharing with nobody. Okay, I was stingy. These were mine. I waited in line to get these markers and get these crowns. So I had got them, and I went to my own little table, my little round table, because obviously I didn't know anybody. It was only like a few days after school. I mean, a few days, you know, after the first day of school. So I got them, and my teacher had called me. I was, you know, minding my own business, not messing with nobody. This guy walked. Okay, so I was minding my own business, coloring my little paper, whatever I was doing, and then my teacher called me. She was like, Brian, come something to my desk. So I was like, okay. I left my stuff there thinking nobody was gonna touch my crowns and my markers. All right, so I got back, y'all, and they were gone. Oh my gosh, they're gone. Oh, I'm trying to open this. Yo, they were gone. I was pissed off, okay, that my dang markers and crowns were gone. So I waited in line to get those, and there was only one box of the sniff markers, and there was only one box of the crowns what the what is it called? The dang, I cannot think of anything today. The sharpener on the back. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna find who stole my stuff. So then I go to everybody else's table and see who took them, and it so happened to be her. Okay, I'm not gonna say her name. We're gonna call her Lexi. Okay, so Lexi had took my stuff, all right, and I was so mad. This bitch is so dumb. I'm just thinking about how bad I was. So Lexi had took my markers and crayons, and I asked her, I said, can I have my stuff back? Because you know I went up to the teacher, to Miss Brown's desk, to go talk to her, whatever I was doing, and I come back and my stuff was gone. She was like, no, I'm not giving back your stuff. You just left it there, so I'm just going to use it now. Oh, you guys, I had anger problems. I had anger issues. I was so mad because I just wanted to kill the dang girl. So, me being so rude, so mean, you guys. I went and took a number 2 pencil. I went and sharpened that pencil. Oh! I sharpened that pencil so sharp. And I went over there, I said, Lexi, give me back my stuff because I was using it and I'm not done with my things yet. And she said no. So I took that pencil, literally like this. I have a pin right here. I took it and I was like, boom, boom, like 3 times. I stabbed her in her what is it called? Her hand. Okay? I just stabbed her 3 times. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my gosh. Did people go crazy? I was caught up to the office, referral, everything. It was just crazy because then I was, you know, everybody thinking I was a psychopath or something because I stabbed a girl. She still to this day has the 3 like little scars, and I feel so bad for her. But you know, we're grown up now. Now she knows not to steal my stuff. But yeah, after like months of being there, like we became good friends, and like of course we're still friends to this day, and I forgot all about that story. Like that is just so crazy to me. So crazy. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's put this on that. That was crazy. I have this other story time, but I think I want like my dad or somebody to be in it because I don't remember half of the stuff I did. But like months ago, back in February, it was actually on my dad's birthday. On my dad's birthday. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm so sorry. So, should I tell it? No, I think I should. Yeah, I should leave it for my dad. But basically, what happened was, I'm just gonna say I kind of overdosed. Yeah, I overdosed. That's what it was. On something I shouldn't overdose on by accident. Y'all, if you guys want to hear that story time, give this video a big thumbs up. Oh my gosh. Where's my pinky up? Who I think I am? I'm the Pope. But that was a crazy time. So good. I forgot about my mashed potatoes and stuff. I'm all sitting here talking to you guys. But I think I'm gonna do this more often. I like it. You guys ever, like, my channel, I want it to be everything, you know? I I don't want it to just be about hair. I don't want it to just be about eating or vlogs or challenges, everything, okay? Because I want to reach a range of people, you know? Because if you look at my subscription box, I'm subscribed to a lot of people. Not just vloggers, not just makeup, not just people who do challenges, like everybody. And I feel like it's boring doing the same thing over again. So yeah. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Because I have the air on and it's like right there. I'm actually glad I came here. Because I was going to go to Taco Bell. Or I was going to go to this other chicken place called Juan's Rotisserie Chicken. So good. It's literally so good. I'm so fat. I legit can't lose weight. But it's alright because I'm fat and happy, shoot. All that matters. Yeah. They gave me one napkin. So glad I keep other napkins. And it's literally spilling all over me. Gosh. Whew. Guys, this is so good. I'm so excited about my channel though. Like, I've been contemplating for so long. Me and my sister, I wish I still had the video, but me and my sister, years ago, like back when I was in, I think 6th or 7th grade, when everybody was doing when the sister tag was popular in the tags, we did a sister tag and I posted it on YouTube. I waited until I got 1 view. I said, yeah, I'm deleting this. I got 1 person viewed it and it's so ugly, I'm deleting it. Now it's like everybody wants views, you know? Like they'll do anything for views. So, Dang, people just love to walk by and stare. But, you never seen anybody record themselves eating? Nope. That was so good. Oh, and you guys. So me and one of my friends, we decided I need to like hit him up because I haven't hit him up in like a couple weeks. But we decided we're gonna do a mukbang or a mukbang, and we're gonna talk about old high school experiences. I think that's gonna be so fun. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below. Okay. So now that that's finished, let me just finish eating my mashed potatoes and this. So good. So good. I'm sitting here with the car running, wasting the gas. Like I got money because I don't. This girl is broke. But one day I'll have money. One day I'll be successful in whatever I do. But yeah. No, I'm just gonna mix these two since I eat it together. Whew, that was like really, really good. I like literally enjoyed that, and I haven't had Popeye's in like months. So, what have you guys been up to? Because I've just been chilling, living my best, trying to live my best life, you know? So yeah. I just want to know what your guys' favorite place to eat at is. Because here in California, I feel like there's nothing but fast food. Like, in every corner, if you go down south or something like that, there's actual restaurants. And you literally have to drive miles to get to a fast food place. But here it's like McDonald's. I'm like, okay, In-N-Out, like, what the heck, you know? So I wish they had, I love California, don't get me wrong, but I just wish they had more of restaurants and stuff like that, and not just, oh, you gotta go to LA for restaurants, or you gotta go to San Diego and the big cities, because I live like an hour away from LA and San Diego and stuff like that. So man, I wish they had that stuff here. And I'm not talking about restaurant as in Applebee's or Chili's and stuff like that. No, I'm talking about some good home cooking. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is so good. But feeling full. I'm feeling done. So thank you guys for sitting, watching, talking to me, eat, or whatever. I'm done, and I'm just gonna head home now because I gotta get ready. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button. Get this video to 20 likes. Comment down below on what your favorite food place is, so I can try new things or whatever you get from there. I'm so full, you guys. Oof. Man, I had to take a little deep breath real quick. So yeah, comment down below, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and comment when done for a notification shout out in my next video. And yeah, you guys, I'll be doing this again, so thanks for watching. Bye, Auntie.